Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Caption News on 150 MT cocoon stores.
Consistent grain moisture is the key to grinding.
What you need to know about product license, MARA license, for feed and feed additives in China, material required, and the auditing period.
Alon Shah, the technical director of Alipala, has died.
Registration is now open for Corn Dry Milling Conference and NAMA annual meeting.
Rice prices are rising despite bumper yields of rice in the country.
Chicken plant in Georgia, USA, has been fined $1 million after 6 workers died.
Unloading closed, pile of containers at Chittagong port.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.